Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, you will learn 200 essential English sentences that will help you speak confidently in any restaurant. From ordering food to asking for the bill, these practical sentences will prepare you for real-life conversations. Let us get started. Where are you going today?
I am going to a restaurant.
Are you eating alone?
No, I am meeting my friend.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first visit.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
What name is the reservation under?
It is under Alex Smith.
How many people are in your party?
There are 2 people.
Would you like a table inside or outside?
I would like a table inside.
Would you like a window seat?
Yes, please.
Can I follow you?
Yes, please come with me.
Is this table okay?
Yes, it is perfect.
Would you like the menu?
Yes, thank you.
Can I have the drink menu as well?
Certainly, here it is.
Would you like some water first?
Yes, still water, please.
Are you ready to order?
I need a few more minutes.
Would you like any recommendations?
Yes, please.
What is your most popular dish?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
Is the soup fresh today?
Yes, it is made this morning.
Do you have any vegetarian dishes?
Yes, we have several vegetarian options.
Do you serve vegan meals?
Yes, we do.
Is this dish spicy?
It is mildly spicy.
Can you make it less spicy?
Yes, we can.
Does this meal contain nuts?
No, it does not.
Do you have gluten-free dishes?
Yes, we have a few gluten-free meals.
Are the portions large?
Yes, they are generous.
What do you recommend for dessert?
I recommend the chocolate cake.
What would you like to drink?
I would like a glass of orange juice.
Are soft drinks available?
Yes, they are.
Would you like an appetizer?
Yes, I would.
What appetizer would you like?
I would like a bowl of tomato soup.
Have you decided on your main course?
Yes, I have.
What would you like to order?
I would like the grilled chicken with rice.
Would you like any vegetables?
Yes, please add some steamed vegetables.
Would you like a salad?
Yes, I would like a green salad.
Would you like any bread?
Yes, please.
Is everything ready to order?
Yes, everything is ready.
Can I repeat your order?
Yes, please.
Is my order correct?
Yes, everything is correct.
How long will the food take?
It will take about 20 minutes.
Would you like anything while you wait?
No, thank you.
Is the restaurant busy today?
Yes, it is quite busy.
Is this your first time trying our food?
Yes, it is.
What brings you here today?
My friend recommended this restaurant.
Are you celebrating something?
Yes, it is my birthday.
Happy birthday, how do you feel today?
Thank you, I feel very happy.
Is the music too loud?
No, the volume is perfect.
Is the restaurant comfortable?
Yes, it is very comfortable.
Can I bring your drinks now?
Yes, please.
Are you excited to try the food?
Yes, I cannot wait.
What do you hope to eat today?
I hope the grilled chicken tastes delicious.
Has your food arrived?
Yes, it has just arrived.
Does the food look good?
Yes, it looks delicious.
Is everything you ordered here?
Yes, everything is here.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, I would like some ketchup.
Can I have some extra napkins?
Of course, I will bring them right away.
Do you need another fork?
Yes, please.
Is your meal hot enough?
Yes, it is nice and hot.
Does the chicken taste good?
Yes, it is very tender.
Is the rice cooked well?
Yes, it is soft and fresh.
Are the vegetables fresh?
Yes, they are very fresh.
Is the soup delicious?
Yes, it is full of flavor.
Is your friend enjoying the meal?
Yes, my friend likes it very much.
Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is excellent.
Can I refill your water?
Yes, please.
Would you like another drink?
No, thank you.
Is the food too spicy?
No, it is just right.
Is the portion enough for you?
Yes, I am satisfied.
Would you like some black pepper?
Yes, please.
Would you like more bread?
Yes, thank you.
Can I bring you some butter?
Yes, please.
Are you enjoying the atmosphere?
Yes, it is very relaxing.
Is the restaurant clean?
Yes, it is very clean.
Is the service good?
Yes, the staff are very friendly.
Are you having a good time?
Yes, I am having a wonderful time.
Is there any problem with your meal?
Actually, my steak is a little cold.
I am sorry, would you like us to warm it?
Yes, please.
How long will it take?
Only a few minutes.
Would you like another drink while you wait?
Yes, I would like some iced tea.
Thank you for waiting. Is your meal better now?
Yes, it is perfect now.
Is there anything else we can do for you?
No, everything is wonderful.
Have you finished your meal?
Yes, I have.
Did you enjoy your dinner?
Yes, I enjoyed every bite.
Are you full now?
Yes, I am very full.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
What desserts do you have today?
We have chocolate cake, cheesecake, and ice cream.
Which dessert do you recommend?
I recommend the cheesecake.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, I would.
Would you like coffee or tea with your dessert?
I would like a cup of tea.
Would you like sugar with your tea?
No, thank you.
Is your dessert ready?
Yes, it looks amazing.
Does it taste good?
Yes, it is delicious.
Would you order it again?
Yes, definitely.
Did the meal meet your expectations?
Yes, it exceeded my expectations.
Would you recommend this restaurant?
Yes, I would recommend it to everyone.
Are you ready for the bill?
Yes, please bring the bill.
Would you like separate bills?
No, one bill is fine.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, you can.
Do you accept cash?
Yes, we do.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Will you visit again?
Yes, I will definitely come back.
Did you enjoy your visit today?
Yes, I had a wonderful experience.
Was the restaurant better than you expected?
Yes, it was even better than I expected.
What was your favorite dish?
My favorite dish was the grilled chicken.
Which dessert did you like the most?
I liked the cheesecake the most.
Did your friend enjoy the meal?
Yes, my friend enjoyed everything.
Were the staff friendly?
Yes, they were very polite and helpful.
Was the service fast?
Yes, we did not wait very long.
Was the restaurant crowded?
Yes, but the service was still excellent.
Was the restaurant clean?
Yes, it was very clean and comfortable.
Did you like the atmosphere?
Yes, it was quiet and relaxing.
Did you take any pictures of the food?
Yes, I took a few pictures.
Will you share the pictures with your friends?
Yes, I will share them tonight.
Will you leave a review online?
Yes, I will write a positive review.
What will you say in your review?
I will say that the food and service were excellent.
Would you recommend this restaurant to your family?
Yes, I definitely would.
Would you bring your friends here?
Yes, I would love to.
Would you celebrate another birthday here?
Yes, I think it is a perfect place.
How much was the bill?
The bill was $60.
Was the price reasonable?
Yes, it was worth the money.
Did you leave a tip?
Yes, I left a generous tip.
Why did you leave a tip?
Because the service was excellent.
Did the waiter thank you?
Yes, he thanked me with a smile.
Are you ready to leave now?
Yes, we are ready.
Did you remember all your belongings?
Yes, I checked everything.
Did you forget your phone on the table?
No, it is in my pocket.
Did you leave anything behind?
No, I have everything with me.
Can we help you call a taxi?
Yes, please.
How long will the taxi take?
It should arrive in 5 minutes.
Where are you going next?
I am going back to my hotel.
Did you have a pleasant evening?
Yes, I had a wonderful evening.
What did you learn today?
I learned many useful restaurant expressions.
Do you feel more confident ordering food in English?
Yes, I feel much more confident.
Will you use these English sentences again?
Yes, I will use them on my next trip.
Was it easy to communicate with the waiter?
Yes, it was very easy.
Did speaking English make you feel proud?
Yes, it made me feel more confident.
Will you practice these conversations again?
Yes, I will practice them every day.
What advice would you give other English learners?
Practice speaking every chance you get.
Is practice important for improving English?
Yes, practice is the key to success.
Will you visit another restaurant soon?
Yes, I plan to visit one next week.
Which food would you like to try next time?
I would like to try seafood.
Do you enjoy learning English through real conversations?
Yes, it helps me remember new words.
Did this lesson teach you useful vocabulary?
Yes, I learned many new expressions.
Are you more comfortable speaking English now?
Yes, I am much more comfortable.
Will you continue learning English?
Yes, I will never stop learning.
Are you happy with your progress?
Yes, I am very happy.
What is your next English learning goal?
I want to speak English more fluently.
Are you ready for your next adventure?
Yes, I am excited for the next adventure.
Where will you go in the next episode?
I will visit a hotel and check in.
Are you looking forward to the next lesson?
Yes, I cannot wait to continue learning.
Did you enjoy this English conversation practice?
Yes, it was fun, practical, and very helpful.
Have you visited this restaurant before?
No, today was my first visit.
Would you like to come back next week?
Yes, I would love to.
Which meal will you order next time?
I would like to try the seafood pasta.
Would you invite your family here?
Yes, I think they would enjoy it.
What did your friend think of the restaurant?
My friend said everything was excellent.
Did your friend enjoy the dessert?
Yes, my friend loved the cheesecake.
Would you recommend the grilled chicken?
Yes, I highly recommend it.
Which drink was your favorite?
My favorite drink was the fresh orange juice.
Did the restaurant have a nice view?
Yes, we could see the city park.
Was the restaurant easy to find?
Yes, it was close to the main street.
Did you make a reservation online?
Yes, I booked the table online.
Was the reservation process simple?
Yes, it only took a few minutes.
Did you have to wait for your table?
No, our table was ready.
Was the waiter polite?
Yes, the waiter was very professional.
Did the waiter answer your questions?
Yes, every question was answered clearly.
Did you ask about today's special?
Yes, I did.
What was today's special?
It was grilled salmon with vegetables.
Would you like to try it next time?
Yes, it sounds delicious.
Did the restaurant play soft music?
Yes, the music was calm and relaxing.
Was the lighting comfortable?
Yes, it created a pleasant atmosphere.
Did you enjoy talking with your friend?
Yes, we had a great conversation.
What did you talk about?
We talked about travel and English learning.
Did you laugh together?
Yes, we laughed many times.
Did time pass quickly?
Yes, we did not notice the time.
Did you feel welcome?
Yes, everyone was very welcoming.
Would you bring your coworkers here?
Yes, it is a great place for lunch.
Is this restaurant good for families?
Yes, it is perfect for families.
Is it also good for couples?
Yes, it has a romantic atmosphere.
Would you celebrate another special occasion here?
Yes, I certainly would.
What impressed you the most?
The friendly service impressed me the most.
Did the staff smile often?
Yes, they were always smiling.
Was your table clean?
Yes, it was spotless.
Did the food arrive on time?
Yes, it arrived sooner than expected.
Was your order prepared correctly?
Yes, everything was exactly right.
Did you enjoy every bite?
Yes, every bite was delicious.
Would you change anything about your meal?
No, I was completely satisfied.
Did you thank the staff before leaving?
Yes, I thanked them for their excellent service.
Did they wish you a nice evening?
Yes, they wished us a wonderful evening.
How did you feel when you left?
I felt happy and satisfied.
What was the best part of your visit?
The food and the friendly service.
Will you tell other people about this restaurant?
Yes, I already have.
Will you post a picture on social media?
Yes, I will post one tonight.
Do you enjoy trying new restaurants?
Yes, I enjoy discovering new places.
Is eating at a restaurant a good way to practice English?
Yes, it helps me use real English.
Did you learn new restaurant vocabulary today?
Yes, I learned many useful words.
Will these expressions help you in real life?
Yes, I am sure they will.
Are you becoming more confident every day?
Yes, I am improving every day.
What will you practice after this lesson?
I will practice speaking these conversations aloud.
Are you excited for your next English adventure?
Yes, I am always excited to learn more.
Will you keep practicing English every day?
Yes, I will continue practicing until I become fluent.
Great job! You have just completed today's lesson. Keep practicing these sentences every day to improve your English speaking, listening, pronunciation, and confidence. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, share it with a friend who is learning English, and subscribe to English Mastery Guide for more practical English lessons. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.